Hello everyone, welcome to learning Microsoft Excel. In this video, I will show you how to do subtraction in Excel. So here I have some electronics item, their price and discount on these products. Now I have to calculate the total payable amount. So how can I do it? If I deduct discount from price, I will get the answer. Yes. So let's do it. Put equal sign over here. Select the cell, minus sign and select the cell. From this is what price from which I have to deduct and discount what I want to deduct. Did I enter? Yes. Now can I do it manually? Yes, I can do it manually. So put equal sign here. Write 30,000 over here minus 2,000. Sorry, 1,500 over here. This is my right answer. Yes, right answer. Yes, but it's a bad habit because if I change here, answer remains same. No change at all. That's why write cell name here. Select the cell minus select the cell. Okay, it's a 28,000. But if I change here, your answer will also change. That's why always write cell name here. Now do copy and paste. Select the cell, put your cursor over here and drag it down. फॉर्मूला सभी में अप्लाई हो जाएगा. ये देखिए 1500 minus 200 that is 1300. So this is how I can perform subtraction in Excel. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you guys.